If one of the headlights on your 2016 through 2018 Toyota Rav4 is out, you might be a little stressed out, but I'm happy to say that it's a lot easier to replace than you think. It's almost as easy as replacing a light bulb. I know, it is a light bulb technically. So if you can change a light bulb, you can probably do this yourself. And I bet that's really good news. The replacement bulb I'm using is a Sylvania 9012, and it should cost about $35. You'll also need a latex or rubber glove when handling the bulb. Pretty simple, right? Okay. The steps I'm about to show you are the same for the left and right sides of the vehicle. We're doing the right-hand side in this particular video. If you open your hood and look in the area directly behind the headlamps, you'll see a connection that looks like this on the driver's side, or it'll look like this on the passenger side. This black thing right here with the angle is the actual light bulb, and the orange connector thing is the power supply, and it has a push clip. See this little tab right here? Press that in, and it'll allow you to release the light bulb. There you go. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise, and then you can remove it. You're ready to install the replacement bulb. Now I would like to pause here and call out that manufacturers typically recommend replacing both bulbs at the exact same time. This is because the brightness or color of the new bulb may not match the old bulb. Another reason is that the other bulb might go out soon. Maybe. But given today's financial situation, I'm going to save a few bucks and just replace a single bulb. Okay, so these bulbs get extremely hot when they're in use, therefore a glove is necessary when installing them. Under no circumstance should you ever touch the actual bulb with your finger. You'll transfer oils to it and then it'll basically fail. So I know I said it's as easy as switching a light bulb. You just can't touch the light bulb. Okay, so no touching. I know you want to, but no. Now besides not touching it, inserting the new bulb is kind of like playing the game Operation. When you're reinserting the bulb, be sure not to rub it all over the inside of the engine bay. You also want to thread the needle as you're reinserting it into the housing. Now once it gets to this point, just go ahead and rotate it clockwise and lock it in place. And that's it. The hard part is now over. The final step is to reconnect that push clip, and it can only go on one way, and make sure that it snaps. And just like that, you're done. Nice and easy, and it probably saved you a few bucks. Treat yourself. Well hey, it's this guy. I appreciate you watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please make sure you subscribe or like.